Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso hailed the immense impact of veteran playmaker Themba Zwane after his surprise inclusion paid off in a narrow 1-0 victory over South Korea's Ulsan HD in their opening match of the 2025 FIFA Club World Cup. Zwane, who had come under the spotlight in recent weeks for being sidelined during Sundowns' CAF Champions League final defeat to Pyramids FC, started in the midfield and delivered a composed and creative performance to help the South African champions register their first ever win at the global tournament. The result put Sundowns at the top of Group F, ahead of European giants Borussia Dortmund and Brazil's Fluminense, who played to goalless draw earlier in the day. Zwane's omission from the CAF Champions League final sparked widespread criticism, with many believing his creativity could have made the difference. But Cardoso remained adamant that his decision to field Zwane against Ulsan was purely merit-based and said there are no ghosts from the past. This wasn't about the pressure from the media, the club, or even former players. Themba earned his start with 2 exceptional weeks of preparation. He worked hard, proved his readiness, and deserved this opportunity. Cardoso firmly pushed back against the idea that veteran midfielders' inclusion was a concession to critics and said, "I made the decision consciously and freely. We respect each other deeply in this team. Our values go beyond what's being said outside, inside or our locker room. There's trust, fairness, and commitment. I don't joke with my players, and they know that." Sundowns' victory over Ulsan HD marks a milestone in the club's history, their first ever win in the FIFA Club World Cup. The match was tense, with Sundowns having goals disallowed and Ulsan threatening late on. But ultimately, the South Africans held on to secure a crucial 3 points. It wasn't an easy win, Cardoso admitted, and said we had chances to make it more comfortable, but we stayed disciplined. We used our energy wisely from the tactical preparation to the execution on the pitch. Head coach praised the team's intensity and focus, especially in a strong first half display, but acknowledged that nerves crept in during the later stages. That when it's 1-0, it's natural to want to protect the lead, but we still tried to score. We stuck to our game plan, and even though we didn't get that second goal, the performance was committed and the result deserved. Sundowns now shift their focus to a MAC fixture against Bundesliga powerhouse Borussia Dortmund, set for Saturday evening at the TQL Stadium. With 3 points already secured, the South African side can approach the match with both confidence and cautious optimism. Cardoso said, "We are living a dream, but we are also focused on the objective. Winning at a Club World Cup is special. This is for the players, for their families, and for the whole country, but the journey continues. Dortmund awaits." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.